going to talk about a debate between the girls group and the boys group about animal product. The girls group are going to talk about the advantages of the animal product, and the boys going to talk about the disadvantages of the animal product.
Hi everyone, my name is Ciara and I'm in Clever School. Today I'm going to talk about advantages of animal products. I'm going to talk about milk. Milk is a daily basic for many people and has been for a long time. For example, we have nutrients in milk. That's an example. Milk provides 18 out of 22 requirement nutrients, and milk also provides iron, selenium, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin B6, and more vitamins. The first benefit of milk is that it can control appetite because drinking milk hasn't been linked to weight gain or obesity. And drinking milk, it has a lot of proteins and anything like that.
Hello, my name is Las and I'm going to talk about the disadvantages of milk. While milk is still a popular food, recent study found that teenagers with acne drank higher amount of low-fat or skim milk. Dairy may also activate adult acne. Also, milk and dairy may worsen eczema due to a clinical review. Also, up to 5% of children have milk allergy, and drinking 3 glasses of milk a day may increase bone fracture in women. According to a study, this may be due to a sugar called the galactose in milk. Also, another point is that milk sugar may be linked to a slightly higher risk of ovarian cancer. And also another important point is that some people have ethical concerns about the modern dairy farming practices. That's my point about the disadvantages of milk.
Hi, my name is Ala. I'm in the girls group. Now I'm going to talk about eggs. Eggs are loaded with nutrients. Eggs are particularly nutrient-rich food. They are a great source of high-quality protein, as well as several important vitamins and minerals. Also, eggs have many health benefits, as some research shows that eating eggs might have various health benefits. These include: number 1, help keep you full. Number 2, promote weight loss. Number 3, it protects brain health. Number 4, reduce eye disease risk. Number 5, decrease inflammation.
Hi, I am Muhammad Asi and I am from boys group. I'm going to talk about egg disadvantages. Eggs can cause food poisoning. This is because it might definitely not be suitable for all. If the eggs are not prepared with the right amount of care, then an individual can definitely be highly prone to the risk. Also, a number of cardiovascular problems might come up due to such high cholesterol levels. This might lead to fatal results. These concentrated cholesterol levels will be found in egg yolk. It will harm the liver, causing death, inflammation cells. Also, egg allergies are more common in children than adults. This is because from the reaction of the body from eating egg whites because of albumin proteins.
Hi, my name is Yara from the girls group. Today I'm going to be talking about animal product advantage versus honey. Honey is high in antioxidants, and eating it may increase the antioxidant status of your body. Also, one important thing is that animal and human studies to suggest that trading regular sugar for honey may help reduce cholesterol. Also, honey has antibacterial properties and may aid in healing ulcers and skin treating conditions. Also, honey can soothe a sore throat. As you know, it's an old sore throat remedy. Also, honey is used in a medical setting to treat wounds because it has been found to be an effective germ killer.
Hello, my name is Ziara and I'm in the boys group. Today I'm going to be talking about disadvantage of honey. We have to know that honey can also carry harmful bacteria, especially dangerous for babies. Also, honey might end up in the white drain, and also honey might contain diarrhea because it's food poisoning. Also, honey contains sugar, it's sticky.
Hi, my name is Naz. My part is about meat. What we get from eating meat. Eating meat has several health benefits. For example, many studies that have shown that high-protein diet include meat. Meat also increases metabolic rate and reduce hunger, promote fullness. Also, animal protein intake is by systematically linked to increase muscle mass. In one study, in the older women, eating beef makes them to increase muscle mass and reduce markers of inflammation. Also, animal protein may show the bone density and strength. Also animal protein contains heme. It absorbs better in your body, be better without non-heme or for plants. Also, red meat is one of the nutritious food that you should eat, which it contains vitamins. As per USDA's food, it can those that who Data Central report, meat can be a good source of water and energy. There might help you to be hydrated and moving. Also, it can improve skin health and providing energy. And that was my part about meat.
Hi, my name is Lewand. I'm from the boys group. Now I'm going to talk about the disadvantage of animals product. I'm going to talk about disadvantage of meat. But on the other hand, some people believe eating meat is unhealthy, unethical, unnecessary. For example, cooking it at high temperature can increase the chance of getting toxic or increase the chance of getting cancer. Processed meat has been linked to many heart diseases. In some studies, processed meat has been linked to many chronic diseases, including high blood pressure and diabetes. It increases the risk of death. Although red meat is frankly has been linked to obesity and weight gain to harm our health, meat is literally killing our planet and causing unthinkable animal suffering.